Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by importing the photo you want and the text asset into Capcut. Once imported, drag the image onto the main video track and add a text layer above it. This sets the stacking order so text can sit behind later. Make sure the image covers the full clip duration and matches your timeline aspect ratio, because misaligned sizes cause masking issues. While you're here, rename clips for clarity so you don't accidentally edit the wrong. You now make a hole in the image so the text can appear behind it. Select the image, open, mask, or cutout, and choose a shape or brush to remove the portion covering the text. Draw precisely where the text should peek through. Once done, feather the mask slightly to blend edges and reposition the masked area until the text lines up perfectly. If your text moves, link keyframes between mask and text so both track together through motion. Finish by styling the text and image for depth. Lower the top image opacity or add a blur and adjust text color or shadow so it reads through the cutout. Once done, export a short test video to confirm edges and timing on multiple devices. If you see hard edges or flicker, increase the mask feather, duplicate the mask with a slight offset, or enable motion blur. Make sure keyframes are synced. If not, nudge them so movement remains cohesive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.